Hi there guys, here we have the hyena just sitting here, so quiet, in the rain dripping from his face. Let's have a closer look. Looks like he's on the move now. Wonder what he's doing. He's just looking and sniffing a little bit in the air. Oh, he's looking in the hole, but he hears a hyena. But I don't see anything around him. And there he goes, crossing the river to get to the other side. It's becoming so deep here. It's going deeper into the water. I wonder if he's going to get to the other side. His face is almost going under. And he makes it to the other side. Guys, thanks for watching. This is a beautiful sighting. I've never seen hyena cross a river like this.